once Shivji told Parvati, let us go and hear Ram Katha. They came from Kailash. They came to the ashram of Agastya Rishi. So when they reached there, Agastya Rishi saw Kailashpati coming. He was delighted. He offered puja to Shiv and to Parvati. So Parvati at that time, she was by the name of Sati. So Sati, when she saw this, she was astonished. We are coming to hear Katha from this Mahatma, and he is doing our puja. Shivji was impressed. He is so simple. But Sati used her buddhi. What kind of Mahatma is this? Now, when they sat to hear the Katha, Shivji was drinking the Katharas with his ears. But Sati was hearing carelessly. What will he tell us when he is doing our puja? She did not pay attention. The Katha went on for a few days. After the Katha got over, Shankarji said, thank you so much. You have delighted us with the bliss of the Leelas of Lord Ram. Ask for something, we want to give to you. Agastya Rishi said, Maharaj, I will not make this mistake. I will not ask you for anything. I am your sevak. My job is to serve you, not to ask. But if you are insisting, I have one request. Please describe to me Ram Bhakti. On hearing this, Lord Shiv was delighted, because Lord Shiv, although he is God himself, in his divine Leelas, he looks on Ram as his Ishtadev. So with great relish, he described devotion to Lord Ram, to Agastya Rishi. And having described that, they both took leave from the ashram. So Shiv and Sati, they were moving in the forest of Dandakaranya. Dandakaranya is a very special forest. Now at that time, Treta Yuga was going on, and the avatar of Ram had taken place. And after having spent their time in Chitrakoot and then in Panchavati, when Sita Haran had happened, then Ram and Lakshman were going from there searching for Sita. Ram was in deep longing of Sita. Where has Sita gone? Where has she gone? In that longing, he was doing such a leela that would confuse anybody. See, in the world, if somebody's wife gets lost, people will go and report to the police station or the television, please announce. But what is Ram doing? He is going asking trees, have you seen my Sita? He Khagamriga, he Madhukar Shreni, tum dekhi Sita Mriga Naini. Lachiman samujhaye bahu bhanti, puchat chale lata tarupanti. He's asking, oh trees, oh flowers, oh creepers, oh boulders, oh hills, have you seen my Sita? And longing for Sita, Ram went into samadhi. Such a samadhi, he forgot who is he and who is Lakshman along with him. So in the Valmiki Ramayana, he says, Ko ham bruhi sakhe swayam sa bhagavan naryah sako raghava ke yuyam vatanath nath kimidam daso smite Lakshmanah. कांतारे किमिहास्महे बत सखे देव्या गतिर्मृग्यते का देवी जनकाधिराज तनया जानकी क्वासिहा. He says, ask Lakshman, who am I? Now what kind of question is this? Who am I? Lakshman says, Maharaj, you are Arya. Arya? Raghav. Oh, I'm Ram. K-U-A, who are you? Maharaj, I am Das Osmite Lakshmana, your servant Lakshman. Acha, now I am recollecting. I am Ram and you are Lakshman. Kantare kimi hasmahe batasakhe. What are we doing in this forest? So Lakshman ji said, Maharaj, Devya gatir mrigyate. We are searching for Devi. Devi? What Devi? Janakadhiraj Tanaya. Janak Nandini Sita ji. Janaki. Ha Janaki Kwasiha. Now remembering Sita, he fainted out there. And then he came back to consciousness. So Shiv and Sati were going from there, seeing his Prabhu Ram there. Shiv was delighted. Now Shivji knows that he is doing a leela. See, supposing you have a friend and he is doing a drama and you go in the audience to see the drama. Now that friend may be doing any role, policeman, dacoit, loafer. You will not say, hey, kya bane hoye ho? You will keep quiet and watch the drama. So Shivji is watching the Leela and he did his pranam to Ram. Sati, on seeing Shiv do pranam, said, Maharaj, why did you do pranam to this man? He doesn't even know where his wife has gone. Shiv said, Arey Sati, don't say that. We just heard the Ram Katha. That Ram about whom Agastya Rishi, Kumbhaka Rishi told us, this is the same Ram. Sati was not convinced. So Shivji thought, Hoi hai soi, jo Ram rachi rakha. Ko kari tark badha vahi sakha. It seems like my Prabhu Ram wants to do a leela. It is all in his hands. What can I do? So he said, Sati, be careful. Saying that, he went and sat down. Ab jo hoga, so hoga. Sati started thinking. Shankaru Jagata Vandya Jagadisa Sur Nar Muni Sabanavat Sisa Tinha Nripa Sutahi Kinha Paranama Kahi Satchidananda Paradhama. Shankar is Jagadish. The whole world, all the rishis, munis respect him. And Jagadish has done pranam to this Ram and said he is Satchidanand Parabrahma. No. This cannot be. So Sati said, let me test him out. If he is God, I will come to know. She, using her Shakti, took on the form of Sita and sat down in front. If he is God, he will come to know. If he is not God, he will say, Ha Sita, we were looking for you, you are sitting here. A great practical joke will happen. Lakshman will say, Bhabiji, you were here, we were looking elsewhere. So when Sati, in the form of Sita, sat down there, Lord Ram, who was crying, Ha Sita, now he sees Sati in the form of Sita. So Ram is the Lord. Externally he may do any leela. Internally he is Sarvagya. So seeing a Sati there, he suddenly became serious. Now how to address her? What to say? He cannot say Sita or something. So he said, Ma, you are sitting here. Where is my father? You see, Ram worships Shiv. In his Leela, Shiv is his Ishtadev. So Sati, the Ardhangani of Shiv, is his mother. So he says, Mother, you are here. Where is my father? So when Ram recognized Sati in this manner, Sati ran from there. Without responding, she ran to Shiv. So Shivji understood what has happened. He said, Sati, did you take a test of my Ishtadev? Sati said, test? No, no, Maharaj, absolutely not. Kachuna pariksha leenha gosai keenha paranam tumhari hinai. Just like you did pranam, same way, true copy, I also did pranam. She told a white lie to Shiv. So Shivji understood. Now Shivji said, Bhai, mamla serious ho gaya. Sati, my wife, has taken the form of Sita. Sita is my mother. When Shiv worships Ram, then Sita is his mother. So she has taken the form of my mother. How will I accept her as a wife? So he started walking off. Sati realized, kuch gadbad ho gayi. So she started accompanying her husband. When they reached Kailash, Shivji made Sati sit in front and he went into Samadhi. He stayed in Samadhi for 77,000 years. After that, he opened his eyes and he saw that Sati has become disturbed. Sati realized that my husband has rejected me as wife. So to pacify her, Shivji started relating Ram Katha. At that time, an instance occurred. There was the yajna going on in the house of Daksh. And Sati asked, I will not go in the details of the instance. Sati asked, what's going on? Finally, on her insistence, she went there. And there she found that her husband Shiv had been insulted. There was no ahuti being offered to Shiv. So Sati became so annoyed there that her father Daksha's house, she rejected her body. That Sati was then later on born as the daughter of Himalaya. So she came as Girija, the daughter of Himalaya and Maina.